Hi guys, how to fix the error status stack buffer overrun in Chrome browser. To fix it, open a new tab. In the address bar, type Chrome, CHROME, clone, / flags, FLAGS, / hashtag, use -angle. Look for the option, choose Angle Graphics Backend, change it from default to D3D11. Then at the bottom right corner, relaunch the browser. For now, it's working with YouTube, Instagram from my side. But every time we restart our PC, we need to repeat this process. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.